Hello everyone and welcome to IELTS with Dan. I hope you're having a good day. Today we are going to learn some useful vocabulary for your IELTS, and let's get started. We have a wide range of something, which means that you have many different things. So the shop sells a wide range of clothes, many different clothes. Our school offers a wide range of sports activities, many different sports activities. The website has a wide range of free courses. So it's not just one free course, it's a set of them, several free courses. And they're not the same. So the key thing here is to remember that a wide range also implies that it's not that you only have many things of the same kind. It's not like you have the same book and you have 1,000 copies of it, but they have to be different. So if you have a lot of books and they're different, you can say a wide range of books or courses. There are a wide range of restaurants in the city center. So even though we can see a wide range, so the article a, we still treat it as plural. So we say there are a wide range of restaurants, not there is. The company produces a wide range of electronic devices, many different electronic devices. Next, to be reluctant to do something, which means that you don't want to do something. Many children are reluctant to wake up early for school, so they don't really want to wake up early. They want to sleep a bit more. Now, some teachers are reluctant to change their teaching methods. Maybe they feel like they don't want to learn another method, People are often reluctant to change their habits, even when they know it's necessary for their health. So perhaps people smoke cigarettes, right? And they know that it's not really the greatest idea, but they don't want to change their habits and they are reluctant to change their habits. Many people are reluctant to go to the dentist. So they know they should go, but they don't want to do it. Some workers are reluctant to leave their company, even though they don't like it. Oh, sorry, there is a typo there. I should have fixed it, but okay, let's carry on. I don't think it's a big deal. Now, merely. Merely is a great way to say just. So instead of saying just, you can say merely. He was merely joking. He was just joking. This book is merely an introduction to the subject. It's just an introduction. She's not angry. She's merely tired. She's merely a child. She's just a child, I'm merely asking for your help. Nothing more. I'm just asking, Right. To disrupt. This word is really great, but you have to know what it means. Some people confuse it with disturb and interrupt. So how is disrupt different? Disrupt, that means not only that you prevent something from happening, maybe I'm having a chat with my friend and you interrupt me, but it kind of implies that there is a flow of maybe activities, actions, or steps. Like, for example, when I'm conducting a lesson, if something goes wrong and because of this thing, like maybe my student starts yelling all of a sudden, and everyone gets distracted, and because of that I get distracted. So you see, there is this kind of a domino effect going on. So one thing leads to the next thing and it all becomes very bad very soon. So that's what disrupt means. Let's see some examples. The heavy rain disrupted the football match. So they were trying to play, but then the rain started. They went, to find some shelter, and then they started playing again, but they couldn't because the football pitch has become slippery or something like that, So they couldn't play because of that. One thing led to the other, and the whole thing got ruined. The power outage disrupted the whole city. So nothing was working, and because of this nothing was working, there was another thing that also stopped working. One thing led to another thing. Construction work on the road is disrupted. Disrupted traffic for hours. Technical problems disrupted the online lessons yesterday. Yeah. New technology can disrupt traditional businesses, right? So they won't be able to work because one thing will start and then another thing will start, and eventually they will have to go out of business, I guess. Next, headquarters. Well, this one is kind of simple. That means the main office where usually important decisions are made. Microsoft's headquarters is located in Washington. So we still say headquarters is, we treat it as a singular thing. So headquarters, even though there is an S, we still say is located in Washington. Google's headquarters is in Mountain View, California. Samsung's headquarters is in South Korea. Toyota's headquarters is in Japan. And finally, Volkswagen's headquarters is in Wolfsburg, Germany. My German pronunciation isn't perfect, but hopefully it was fine. Now, something appeals to somebody. That's a great way to say that someone likes something. So yeah, it's about finding it attractive, finding something interesting. For example, the idea of studying abroad appeals to many students. It means that they find it interesting. I would like to study abroad. That's a cool idea. I should try and do it. So they like this idea. It appeals to them. Living in the city doesn't appeal to everyone. So not everyone finds it attractive, interesting. This TV show appeals to both children and adults. So yeah, maybe it's a great TV show and everybody likes it. So instead of saying everybody likes it, everyone finds it interesting, finds something special in this TV show, we could say that it appeals to everyone. Working part-time appeals to a lot of young people. They like it. The idea of moving to the countryside appeals to me. I find it attractive. And to attribute something to something, that means that something happens because of another thing, and you say that it was caused by something else. So it's kind of like a super academic because, Let's see some examples. The success of the project is attributed to the hard work of the team. So it means that people say that this is why they had their success, because of the hard work of their team. That's the reason why it happened. She attributes her good health to regular exercise, which means that she says, that's why I have good health, because I exercise every day. Many experts attribute climate change to human activities. So they say that this is why it's happening. It's because of human activities. The rise in The rise in sales was attributed to the new advertising campaign. The failure of the experiment was attributed to equipment malfunction. So maybe it wasn't working properly, and that's why the experiment failed, to produce some results. We couldn't conduct this experiment because of the equipment. And finally, we have to benefit somebody or something. It's very simple. It just means that something is good for you or helps you in some way. So if you want to say that Coca-Cola is good for you, even though it probably isn't, let's say water is good for you. Yeah, we can say it's good for our body, for our skin. So instead of saying it is good for our skin, we can say it benefits our skin. Now, some examples. Regular exercise benefits your health. It's good for your health. Good communication skills benefit workers in any job. Vaccinations benefit public health by preventing disease. Well, it's supposed to do that at least. Students benefit from extra help after class. So it's good for them, you know. By the way, you can say that something benefits somebody, or you can also say that somebody benefits from something. Like in this case, we see that we have students benefit from. So they get this positive aspect. They get the benefit from. I'm kind of like repeating the same thing, but yeah, it's good for them. Many people benefit from a balanced diet. It's good for them. The balanced diet that they have is really good for them. Yeah, that's all for today. And I hope that you found it useful, guys. And I hope you will use these phrases. If you liked this tiny lesson, please subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading more things, I guess. Very soon. I kind of like it. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Have a good day and good luck. Bye.